welcome back. Today is not as much as of a tutorial, but more of a conversation with my beautiful friend Joanna. I've known her for so many years. We worked together as makeup artists and we had such a great time, but we both have had this passion about skin, and she actually got her master esthetician license. So she is the expert, and I brought her in so we can get an expert's view on skincare.
Skincare has really blown up the past, what would you say, like 3 years. A lot of people have really invested more into skincare. They're really intrigued more by skincare, and there's just so many products out there. It's kind of hard to narrow it down. But like Tamina was saying, you should definitely get a facial once a month. Your skin kind of regenerates itself about every 27 to 30 days. So getting a facial once a month is really crucial for maintaining your skin health and preventing anti-aging as well as acne and those types of things. If you're somebody who has never used skincare a day in your life, you kind of just wash with whatever you have in the shower, that's fine, but you really should start with your 3 basic things, which is a cleanser. You want to cleanse morning and night, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen. Sunscreen is crucial for maintaining your skin's health and integrity and is the #1 way to prevent anti-aging.
First thing that we are supposed to be doing day and night, which most of us forget to do, and a lot of us forget to do it at night, which is the most important time you should be actually doing to your skin.
So a lot of people think that just using a makeup wipe at nighttime and taking off your makeup is cleansing your face, but it's not. A cleanser is crucial morning and night. You can use a makeup wipe, but if you still use makeup wipes, you absolutely need to follow up with a cleanser as well. You can also do a double cleanse, which is using a cleansing oil. There are a lot of really good brands out there with cleansing oils. And cleansing oils are actually my favorite thing recently. I haven't been using makeup wipes, I've just been using the oil. And I think a lot of people get a little bit confused with the cleansing oil, but you want to just put it into dry hands, emulsify your makeup, move it all around, break it all up, and then wash your face with water, and then go back in with your cleanser and wash your face again. There are so many different types of cleansers out there. A gel-based cleanser or a foaming cleanser is really good for normal to oily skin.
Take notes, ladies. A
creamy cleanser, which is not going to kind of sud up as much as a gel-based cleanser, is really good for dry skin. You can also, depending on your skin's needs, you get a different cleanser in the summer and in the winter. If you're more dry in the winter, switch to a creamy cleanser. If you're more oily in the summer, switch to a gel cleanser. But just do your research, don't be afraid to look up ingredients and to really find what works best for your skin.
I get this question asked a lot, is exfoliation. How often should I exfoliate?
Depends on what you're using. So Dermalogica actually has a product called Daily Microfoliant, which hence the name, you actually can use it daily. A lot of exfoliants, though, you really don't want to use them more than 2 times a week. But again, it depends on your skin type. If you have really sensitive, dry skin, I would recommend exfoliating once a week. If your skin is more on the thick side or you're a little bit more oily, you can do exfoliating up to twice a week. But you also need to be careful. You don't need to really scrub into the skin, which I think is a common misconception. A lot of people want to feel the scrub. You don't need to do that. Let the product do its work on its own. And just, be careful around the really delicate parts of your face, especially around your eyes. You don't need to scrub around that area. But exfoliating is definitely beneficial for your skin's health. It's going to help whatever products you put on after penetrate better. But I would say at least once a week for exfoliating is